Hey there, shoppers, it's Amy. I am getting ready to start a long day of filming, but part of that, of course, is getting my smile on, taking care of my teeth, and I am doing that today with an amazing electric toothbrush from Soocas. You guys, this is such a beautiful toothbrush. I'm so blown away at the packaging and everything. I will show you guys that on screen, but just check this out. This is what arrived and came to my door. It was like opening a present. I could not believe it. This is, it might look familiar to you, Vincent van Gogh's Wild Roses. Completely a beautiful box. And you know what, you guys? It just happens to match my bathroom. Like, look at that. It's crazy. So beautiful. I think I'm gonna end up getting this painting and putting it in my bathroom after seeing how well it matches. Getting a print, obviously. I can't afford a Van Gogh, but how beautiful is this? So that's what you open, and then you realize all of the box is completely gorgeous. This toothbrush is completely gorgeous. Look at that. It's just, the amount of detail is totally incredible. It's like almost too pretty to use. The brush heads match. They are really, really high quality too. Everything about this is totally beautiful, totally lovely. Look at this. Like, even the button is almost like a thumbprint. It's just so pretty. There's little bumps on the back that give you a nice grip. It has 4 different modes. It will show you how differently the head moves with everyone, so you know that, you know, sometimes you get a toothbrush that has different modes and it's like just slightly faster, slightly slower. Like, no, these ones really are massaging your gums. It really is good for sensitive teeth, whatever, for whitening. It's all different, all amazing. Just a really, really beautiful quality toothbrush. I am just so excited to use it, so excited at how well this, like, look, check this out. It matches my bathroom. So this is something that just looks like a gift, like a present. I am really, really happy with it. I think you will be too. So I'm going to leave all of the links, all of the places on Amazon and on their website where you can purchase your own. So definitely check that out in the description. Get one of these for someone as a gift because they are just beautiful. Anyone is going to be so excited to receive this. Like, are you kidding me? You don't even have to wrap it because it's just beautiful. This comes with replacement brush heads and your charger, which goes in the bottom. Check that out. So what I love about this is that this, like, cap for the charger goes on really, really firmly. So you can see you charge there, but it really goes on firmly, so you can use it in the shower, which is something, if I'm running late, I totally do that, you guys. I love to just double up, and I'm kind of, you know, like conditioning my hair and brushing my teeth at the same time, and I love that I can do that with Soocas, and I know that I'm not going to be, you know, getting water inside here or messing up my ability to charge it. It lasts so long, it is completely crazy. So, you know, you only have to charge it every now and then. Really, really, really nice. I love using this on the whitening mode. It just lasts for a little bit longer. Of course, it has your timer on here, and it also gives you a little pulse to where you know when you can switch to a different quadrant of your mouth. I love that. I think every single electric toothbrush should have that. It's amazing. So not only when you use this toothbrush do you know I'm definitely brushing my teeth for long enough. I'm getting at least 2 minutes in, maybe longer if I'm on one of these whitening modes down here. But you know that you're taking care of every single part of your mouth. It does a pulse that's, you know, you'll be able to recognize it for sure every 30 seconds. So you do 30 seconds here, 30 seconds here, 30 seconds here, 30 seconds here, and you're able to split your mouth up. You get every single part, every single nook and cranny, and it just makes it really, really a lot easier than the old way. So anyway, you guys know the drill. Having an electric toothbrush is gonna work just 10 times better than what you could ever do manually. You're just going to have so many more vibrations per minute. and it's going to make sure that you're brushing for the right amount of time and that you're hitting all the right spots for the right amount of time. This Soocas one is absolutely fantastic because it's just a great value when you compare it to the competitors. It wins hands down across the board. Plus, it is so much more beautiful. Look at this, come on. It's just gorgeous. It screams gift. It makes me excited and happy to use it. So you guys go ahead and pick one up. You're gonna be really, really glad you did. Get your smile on, get your best, cleanest, whitest, healthiest smile with the help of Soocas. You're gonna be so happy you did.